Whoop gang was good. It's your boy B Ferris with another video. You already know what it is. We got the Challenger, we got the Lexus, we got the Jeep Wrangler behind me. Hey, it's 84 degrees down here. About to go and take the doors off and the top off for the first time. Let's get it. Yeah, so first thing first, I'm gonna take the doors off before I do the roof, but man, it's simple. I've been reading up on it, looking at it. So we got that one plug in there we're gonna take off. We got that one screw there that comes out. Then we got these two. Got that one there and that one there. Then the door should come up and off. And then it's just simple as that. So shout out to Jeep, cause they give you this handy little tool in the back. That's all the pit bull here. Back here, you be back here jumping around. And they even got slots for you. Door hinges go there. Your roof screws go there. Then the windshield. So I'm not gonna do the windshield today, but one day I might, and that's where the screws will go on it. So you got all your spots for your screws whenever you take everything out. But here, these are the only tools you need. Comes in this little book. Directions on everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and let all these windows down before I actually get started. Cause when I take the doors off, I don't want nothing to happen to the windows. Scratch them up or bust them or nothing like that. So I'm gonna let all these down real quick. So with this screw, the one that comes out right here, there's not a slot for this screw in the back. There's only 8 slots, which are for these screws here, 2 on each door. So with this one, after we're done taking them out, I'm gonna just put it back in this slot. So it can just be there, and I'm gonna tighten it down. So I folded this up to make sure it didn't scratch anything up. So here on the outside, you can see that it says it on there. Might be kind of hard to see it, but it's T50. So on the front, this screw here is a T40, which is the long one. So we have to move to this one, which is a T50, to get the outside bolts off for screws. So I'm gonna throw this in, the T50, and get started loosening these two up. Got both screws out. That one and that one. So I'm gonna take these two to the trunk to make sure they're in a safe place. So got those two. They're the same size, so it doesn't matter, you know, where you place them, anything like that. So got that bolt off. It's unplugged there. Go ahead and throw this back on. I got those two out. So now, I think all I gotta do is lift it up and pull it off. So we got the front door off. It looks kind of weird right now, but about to get these off. I'm gonna snatch the whole roof off, the other two. Not gonna do the windshield, so that'll be something that'll be another video, another time. But you're gonna see how it looks. So with the back door, same concept. These two, you got that one, then you got the one here. But it's a way easier switch, if you can see it. Then you just pull down on that one. Take these two to the back. Let's pull it off. So, one side is completely off. Both doors. It's good, man. I ain't even got the top off yet, though. So I went ahead and took all 4 screws out on this side. So the 2 on the back door, 2 on the front door, I went on and took those out. So all I gotta do now is get this 1 screw on both doors, unplug that, and I should be able to snatch both of them off. Finally got all 4 doors off. So next we're doing the top. So with the top, each one has 3 latches. Then you got this hold down. So we'll open that one. Then the top, you can just pull it off. Simple as that. So the top is finally off. So with the back, you got 8 screws. You got 1 here on each side. Then the other 6 are in this back window. Got 1 there, and there on both sides. And you got the location where to put those. So with all these, they use the T50 also, which is the larger screw. So this is the last piece that we need. You got your 2 connectors. One is for the windshield wiper blade, and it is for the fluid. So the back actually has fluid like the front, so you gotta get those 2 off. This is just a switch you just pull out. Then same with this one. Has a button on the side. And Jeep gave you a spot to put those in. It goes there. And this goes up here. Slide that back. And that's it. Ready to come off. We actually got it off. A little heavier than she thought, so we had to cut it a little bit. There it is. Everything off. Roof, doors. What up, gang? The Jeep done. Look good, man. Another video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment on this video, and share it, baby. Let's get it.